afternoon and welcome to a brand new episode of The Core. My name is Anthony and we've made it through the first week of May 2021. Let's start the show today with a look at the current and upcoming weather with our student meteorologist, Joe.
Hello, Yorktown. I'm your student meteorologist, Joe. It's right around 1 p.m. right now, and as you can see from the crowded parking lot behind me, we're currently experiencing cloudy skies. The current temperature is 62 degrees, and it appears to be a perfect day to go outside and ride your bike. Tonight and leading into tomorrow morning, we expect to see temperatures drop into the 50s and stay there until 10 a.m. As always, have yourself a wonderful day. Now let's take it back to the studio.
Good job, kids. Now let's bring it to Christian with today's in history.
Hello, my name is Christian, and I'm going to share some facts and events that took place on April 30th. On this date, in the year 1789, George Washington got inaugurated as the first president. Based on this event, we will focus today's facts on George Washington. George Washington had teeth made out of human, cow, horse, and various other materials. He had 9 siblings, 3 half-brothers and 1 half-sister. That's a look back in history for the date April 30th. Now let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, kids. Now let's take it to Christina with the lesson of the day.
Good afternoon. My name is Christina, and today's lesson is from science class. Today in science class, we learned about what a crest, a trout, a wavelength, and a frequency is. A crest is the high point of a light wave. A trough is the low point of a light wave. That's all for today's lesson. Now let's take it back to the studio.
Thanks, kids. Spring weather has us spending more time outside. We were wondering, if you could build anything in your backyard, what would it be and why? Let's see what the kids in the hall had to say.
If I could build anything in my backyard, I would build a roller coaster because me and my friends could have fun all day.
If I could build anything in my backyard that I would want, I would build a zip line because it would be super fun.
If I could build anything in my backyard, I would build a giant slide, so it would be fun.
One thing I would build in my backyard would be a shed to store all my equipment.
If I could build anything in my backyard, it would be a water park.
If I could build anything in my backyard, it would be a pool. I would build a pool because it would be fun to use in the summer.
If I could build anything in my backyard, I would build a gaming room because then I could hang out with my friends and play games together with them.
If I could build anything in my backyard, I would build a baseball field so that me and my friends can play baseball.
If I could build anything in my backyard, I would build a water park so that way I can ride my jet skis in the back of it and it would be fun so I don't have to drive all the way down to the Hudson River every Sunday in the summer.
If I could build anything in my backyard, it would probably be a ski resort because skiing is one of my favorite things to do.
If I could build anything in my backyard, I would build a baseball field. I really like baseball, and to have the novelty of that just in my backyard would be awesome.
Yep. We're going to take this. We're going to put some paint up here. Right along the top. Got it. Yep. Perfect. Then we're going to take this that says graphic. See that? Graphic. We're going to hold this down. We're going to go.
What?
Hold it up. Hold it up.
What?
Sweet, right? And we'll do it again.
That's so cool.
We'll do this. Put this here. Probably have enough paint on it. I had a lot of paint there.
So it goes right.
I think I just moved it, so it might be blurry.
How does that come out so smooth?
There you go.
The core.
Done.
Thanks, kids. Now let's go to Rowan with today's true or false.
My name is Rowan, and today's true or false topic is football. Let's see if you can figure out which statements are true or false. True or false? The Green Bay Packers won the Super Bowl in 2013. False. The Baltimore Ravens did. True or false? Peyton Manning has the most passing yards in the NFL. False. Tom Brady does. True or false? Jerry Rice has the most touchdowns in NFL history. True. Thanks for watching today's True or False. Now let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks for the update, kids. Now let's try and put a smile on your face with the joke of the day.
Hi, my name is Hayul, and here are some jokes to remember the next time you're in a situation to tell some jokes. Person asks mathematician to prom. She says 1 over ES plus X equals Y. He later solved the equation, which is X equals YES. What do you call two monkeys that share an Amazon account? Primates. Join us again for some more jokes tomorrow, and until then, let's take it back to you in the studio.
So we got our 2 sticks of softened butter in our mixing bowl. We're gonna add our white sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, and we're gonna mix. Once our batter is at a creamy consistency, we're gonna add our 2 eggs in slowly. Okay. Salt. And we're gonna add our flour and slowly. Once your batter is blended nicely, you can then add your chocolate chips in. And we are going to stir it with a spatula. Now we can spray our non-stick cooking spray on. If you've mixed your chocolate chip cookies and sprayed your pan, you can then use an ice cream scooper, get little balls, and put them on your cookie sheet. Once we have filled up our baking sheet, we're then gonna put the cookies into the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. And we can check on them every few minutes. So once our timer goes off, we're gonna go check on them, and they are golden. The cookies are golden brown, so that means they're all done. And we'll take them out.
While at the Strang Middle School and out in the community, we strive to be safe, responsible, and respectful. In the spirit of this, we wanted to explore the following. How could you help if you see one of your classmates getting bullied on the bus? Let's see what some students at MESMS had to say.
Hello everybody, my name is Anthony. I'm here to deliver the data we collected from today's survey. In first place with 32.3% of the vote was comedy. In second place with 25.6% of the vote was thriller/mystery/horror. In third place with 24.1% of the vote was action/adventure. Rounding out the survey were anything animated and drama. Today's survey question was, which of the following movie genres do you most enjoy? 133 students responded. Let's take a look at the results. That's all the data we have to share with you today. Please participate in our next survey by clicking the survey link located on the heading of our YouTube page. Now, let's take it back to the studio.
Hey everyone, my name is Beth, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a reverse layup. If you don't know what a reverse layup is, I'll show you full speed, then I'll break it down step by step. It's actually really easy. You gotta keep on practicing. So move up. So first, you gotta drive into the ball. And what I mean by drive is you get close to the basket, then just keep on practicing. And then if you want to learn how to like get it in the basket, you gotta drive and throw it up. And then it goes in. That's pretty much show you guys again. That's pretty much it. See you guys next time.
Thanks, kids. Now for all of the word lovers out there, we present to you the word of the day.
Hi, my name is Eliana, and welcome to this segment dedicated to improving your vocabulary, the word of the day. Today's word is ingrained. Ingrained is an adjective. Entrenched and deep-seated are synonyms for ingrained. In a sentence, ingrained can be used like this: biting my lower lip is an ingrained habit. Ingrained. Can you use it today?
Thanks, kids. Now let's take a look at today's survey results with Anthony.
If I see my classmate getting bullied on the bus, I would tell a teacher.
If I saw one of my classmates being bullied on the bus, I would tell the bus driver or a teacher.
If I saw someone on the bus getting bullied, I would step in and say something to help them.
If I saw one of my classmates getting bullied on the bus, I would tell the bus driver, and when the bus driver comes, I would tell them what happened.
If I saw one of my classmates getting bullied on the bus, I would stick up for him and tell the bully to stop it.
If I saw a classmate being bullied on the bus, I would help them because they're my classmate and they don't deserve to get bullied.
If I saw my classmate getting bullied on the bus, I would stick up for them and try and get the bully to stop.
If somebody was getting bullied on my bus, I would help them and I would tell the bully to stop it, or they're really gonna get in trouble with me.
If I saw someone on the bus getting bullied, I would notify an adult.
If I saw my classmate getting bullied on the bus, I would stand up for him and then tell the bully to stop annoying him.
Good afternoon. My name is Ava, and today's lesson is from 3rd period science class. Today in Ms. Palmera's science class, we learned 3 things that happen when light strikes an object. Transmitted is when light passes through matter, including air, gases, most liquid, and some solids. Reflected is when light bounces off objects, and absorbed light is when light is soaked in or trapped. That's all from today's lesson. Now let's take it back to the studio. We want to thank everyone who contributed to today's show. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss an episode. Until then, stay safe, responsible, and respectful. Have a great day.